Welcome to my 4x4 Land Rover Perentie. This is one of two I have, and this has 4 wheels, the other has 6 wheels. Aussie summer has hit and it's getting kind of hot. We're far enough south we don't get the worst of it, but it's still 37 degrees Celsius today and about 20% humidity. Driving around with windows on is a bad idea, so I'm going to take the door tops off. Now the problem with this is most of these, the studs are rusted out. I replaced mine a few years ago. Now it's worth taking your door tops off from time to time, because the way the window is designed on these, water ends up inside there. And that's our door top. Alright, usually I like to put a bit of duct tape across the top. Alright, and now it's time to do the other side. Don't forget to put the nuts back on the studs.